Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth. Welcome to tonight's video. And the markets just continue to go higher, as evidenced by today's higher prices here. Now, I had been looking to see if this thing would pause here, but you can see that this momentum, we've been losing momentum here. The momentum actually reversed today, so now it has room to kind of go back up. So until further notice, you just kind of continue buying dips here until that stops working. All right. So what are the red flags I've been watching? First is bonds, looking for if TLT closes above that 21 period moving average at 117.34, that would be the first signal, the first sign that money is starting to flow back into bonds, which means it would flow out of stocks. As you can see here, it has got rejected today. And if we look at the Japanese yen, same thing. If that closes above its 21 period moving average, that's going to be a sign that potentially all the hedge funds that have been doing the carry trades are going to start unloading the stocks that they've been buying, and that would be a sign. So those are the two things, honestly, the only two things I'm watching right now to say, okay, the stock market is, coming across a brick wall, so to speak. And if we look at the NASDAQ here on a daily chart has a nice long squeeze setting up, and the NASDAQ is really whereas the S&Ps and everything else is at new highs. You can see the NASDAQ here hasn't even come across that yet, so it's got a little bit of catch up to do, and the squeeze is setting up saying, hey, the NASDAQ is now ready to play a little bit of catch up. And you can see, of course, like stocks like Google making new all-time highs here. Let's get rid of that Fibonacci so you can see that. Just continues to be very, very strong. Of course, the one flag here is kind of Apple. Apple just can't get anything going. If it can bounce, that would pretty much kind of be the nail in the coffin for any shorts. I mean, that would push this market significantly higher. And then there are a lot of attractive stocks that are breaking out here. One is CTRX. This is a stock that's at all-time highs, has a daily squeeze, has a weekly squeeze. This is one I'm actually looking for a significant move higher. Okay? Hope that helps. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you at the next update.